Hi, welcome to DGP Star Mission Learning Shorthand with Savitri. In the previous class, I taught you short vowels and long vowels of shorthand. In this class also, I am going to teach you some more examples for short vowels and long vowels. I told you to remember the vowels in the shorthand. You need to memorize this phrase. Pa, may, we all go to. That pen is not much good. So I gave examples of each vowel, three examples for each vowel. Let us look how it sounds. The first long vowel is A sound as in pa with heavy dot at the first place. Here the stroke should be above the line. Calm, K, Yum. Balm, B, Yum. Form, F or Yum. First place with heavy dash. The second long vowel is A sound as in May with a heavy dot at the second place. Paid, raid, shade. P, D, second place. Raid, R, D, second place. Here the stroke you have to write on the line. Ish and D, second place. The next third long vowel is E as in V, heavy dot with third place. The stroke here you have to write through the line. Peel, P-L, feel, F-L, heel, H-L. These are the first three long vowels. We'll move on to the next three long vowels. Fourth long vowel is A sound as in all with a heavy dash at the first place. Here again the stroke you have to write above the line. Paul, P-L. Next is tall, T-L. Next, ball, B-L with heavy dash at the first place. The fifth long vowel is O as in go with heavy dash at the second place. Here you have to write the stroke on the line. Goal, G-L. Road, R-O-A-D. Goal, road, more, M-O-R-E, M-R. The next long vowel is U sound as in to with heavy dash at the third place. Here the stroke you have to write through the line. Tooth, T-ith, here with heavy dash. Shoe, S-H-O-E, ish through the line. Then tool, T-L. tool. Fourth, fifth and sixth long vowels. Hope it is clear now. Next we will move on to the short vowels. That is the seventh vowel. Seventh vowels, a sound as in that at the first place with light dot. Here the stroke you have to write above the line. Patch, P-che with a light dot. Match, Che with a light dot, then cam, K-M with a light dot. Next, eighth one is a sound as in pen with a light dot at the second place. Here the stroke you have to write on the line. Pet, P-T with a light dot. Met, M-T with a light dot. Set, S-T second place with a light dot. The next vowel is E sound as in is with light dot at the third place. Here you have to write the stroke through the line. Il, L through the line with a light dot. Then mill, M-L. Pill, P-I-L-L. P-L. Hope it is clear now. We will move on to the next vowel, that is 10th. The next long vowel is 10th long vowel. Not. A sound as in not with a light dash at the first place. Stroke you have to write above the line. Lock, L-K, mock, M-K. Shock, Next vowel is a sound as in much with a light dash at the second place. Here you have to write on the line. Duck, D-K, duck. Hook, H-K, hook. Book, B-K, book. Next, the last vowel is hook as in good, third place. Food, good, full, Hope it is clear now. Now I explained you all the 12 vowels with 3 examples. Now we will move on to the preceded vowel and followed vowels. Preceded vowels. When a vowel sign is placed at the left hand side of the stroke, it is called preceded vowel. For example, A, D, left hand side. If you mark after the D, then it becomes day. That is followed vowel. Now this is A, preceded vowel, edge, D, J. Earth, or it. Next, followed vowels. Examples: low, N after the stroke, row, then shoe. These are the followed vowels. A vowel sign marked at the left hand side of the stroke is called preceded vowel, and the vowel sign marked at the right hand side of the stroke is called followed vowels. Now I will show you the combination of preceded and followed vowels. Academy, A-D-M, A vowel, again A vowel, E vowel, and here E vowel, academy. Attack, A-T-T-A-C-K, T-K, A vowel, A vowel. Then anatomy, N-T-M, anatomy. Hope now you understood the combination of preceded vowel and followed vowels. You please practice all 12 vowels with the examples. You can refer Pitman shorthand book for practicing the vowels and strokes combination of preceded and followed vowels. In the next class, I am going to teach you Grammarlax. You keep practicing these vowels now. If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp me on my number 7892247571. Please do subscribe to my channel to get more videos related to English shorthand. Take care. Bye-bye.